Hey, welcome back to Hustle to Harmony. This is where we ditch the chaos and scale without selling your soul. I'm Johanna, your anti-hustle productivity coach for women who want their time back and their business to actually grow while they breathe, eat lunch, and maybe even relax a little. Today, we're going to talk about focus, why you can't find it, why it's costing you a lot of cash, and what to do about it. So let's go. Here's the thing that nobody tells women that have super big goals. You probably don't have a focus issue. Even though that's all you hear, that's the buzzword, you most likely have decision fatigue or distraction overload because you're doing everything yourself, right? You open your laptop and all of a sudden you're bouncing between Canva and your inbox and your team chat and you're checking Stripe, like maybe even jumping into Facebook DMs, right? You're all over the place. It's not that you are scattered. You're just running your brain on low battery 24/7. Focus doesn't mean you have to try harder. You have to sit down and put your blinders on. It means you have to cut out all the crap that doesn't actually matter. Focus is really a strategic blindness, not blinders. It's choosing not to give a crap about 99% of the things so you can absolutely kill it in the 1% that moves the needle. It's when you wake up and you know exactly what matters, what can be delegated, what needs to die on your to-do list. Here's how I explain it to my clients. You can either be reactive, right? Letting everybody else run your day, answering messages or putting out fires, or you can be proactive. This is where you run your business. You're the one that sets the goal. You're the one that takes the action. You're the one that decides when and where and how, okay? My Facebook DMs were causing me to be in reactive mode. So I took an entire week off. I did not open them. I did not respond. I did not care. And on Friday, it took a little bit of time, but I went in and I strategically answered every single person and was able to feel like I was more in control. I wasn't reacting to the messages coming in. Granted, there were some people that I wanted to get in touch with sooner and it didn't happen, but those are the lessons that we learn when we do different things, okay? So here's the thing I want you to try every single morning with your to-do list. Like, before you even touch your phone, okay? Go through the list of items and say to each one, does this make me money? Does this protect my time or my energy? And can somebody else do it? If the answer is no, straight across the board, then it's off your list. That is the profit, protect, pass off filter. And it's how my clients stop chasing all of the busy stuff and start building systems that work for them, creating the focus that they need. Focus doesn't mean you have to get your act together. What you need to do is build that container that protects your attention span. I know I've said this before, but I'm going to say it again. A 5-minute distraction takes you 23 minutes to get back into the full focus mode that you were in. So if you're in the thing, you're doing your work and you're fully on focusing and you hear ping and you say, oh, let me just grab that real quick. Your brain has now split focus and gone to something else. And it takes it 23 minutes to get back into focus time. So when you sit down and say, I want to focus from 12 to 1, you have to turn off your notifications. This is the strategic focus part. You have to let people know you're not available. Otherwise, it's not going to be as efficient as it can be. This is why people work 4 hours a day, because they are very strategic about when and how and what they're doing. And you can use these same tools as well. You just have to be strategic about it. You have to let the people know around you, I'm not the one that answers messages 24/7. If you can't go an hour without someone feeling like everything's going to burn to the ground, that's another issue that you have to tackle, right? Listen, I know you're busy and I know you were probably like low-key distracted even listening to this. I made you something. If you're tired of feeling super scattered, stuck reacting to everything instead of being proactive, and wondering where the hell your day went, where all the hours just went, I want you to grab my free time maximizer guide. It's short, it's actionable, and it'll show you exactly how to take back at least 10 hours this week without working more. Just check the notes below because I'm not going to make you work hard for it. That's it for today. Go protect your focus like your business depends on it, because it actually does.